Google Cloud Associate Engineer certification question. You're given an important responsibility as a cloud engineer working on a project for your organization. The team must replicate a specific virtual machine setup across multiple projects within the Google Cloud environment. To facilitate this, you create a reusable image from an existing VM instance. Which of the following Google Cloud Console steps would accomplish this? A. Compute engine, VM instances, select instance, create image. B. Compute engine, VM instances, select instance, snapshot, create image. C. Compute engine, VM instances, select instance, stop, create image. D. Compute engine, disks, select disk, create image. Correct answer, D. Compute engine, disks, select disk, create image. Explanation. To create an image from a VM, you first need to identify the disk that is attached to that VM. After that, you select the disk and then use the Create Image option to create an image from it. This image can be used to create other VM instances with the same setup as the original VM instance. While you do need to stop the instance to ensure data consistency, the Create Image option is not available directly in the VM instances menu. The Create Image option isn't available in the VM instances menu. Images are created from disks, not directly from VM instances. Snapshots are not the same as images. Snapshots are incremental backups of disks, while images can be used as templates for new disks or VMs. Keywords. Replicate a specific virtual machine setup. The process of duplicating the configuration of a VM setup suggests the process of creating an image directly from a VM's disk, which is a crucial part of replicating a VM setup. Multiple projects. Working across different Google Cloud projects, suggesting a need for universally applicable solutions. Reusable image. The goal of the task, referring to a VM image that can be used multiple times. Subscribe and follow us.